billion views in one day. Not a movie, not a music video, a trailer for a game that isn't even out yet. GTA 6. It beat every movie trailer in history. It broke Mr. Beast's record on YouTube, and the game is still months away. So here's the real question. All that attention is worth a fortune. Can a normal person actually grab a piece of it? Or is that money already gone? There are 3 places money hides in the GTA 6 world. One is already closed to you. One doesn't open until 2027. And one is wide open right now, today. Most people run straight to the closed one. They ignore the open one. And they waste a whole year chasing money that isn't even there yet. I'm going to open up all 3. I'll show you what each one really pays. And the last one flips this whole thing on its head. So stay with me. First, understand what GTA really is. It's not a game, it's a money machine. GTA 5 came out in 2013, over 12 years ago. It sold 225 million copies. Only Minecraft and Tetris have ever sold more. And here's the crazy part. It still sells about 5 million copies every 3 months. 12 years later, it's still printing money. So think about that. If the old game still prints money, what does the new one do? Take-Two, the company behind it, told investors to expect around $8 billion next year, from basically one game. They are betting the entire company on it. So the money is real. The only question is, who gets it? The money splits 3 ways. Money inside the game, money around the game, and money from the attention around the game. Mix these up and you lose a year of your life. So let's take them one at a time, and I'll tell you what each one can actually earn. Layer 1, money inside the game. This is the dream everyone starts with. Sell in-game cash, sell accounts, grind money and flip it to other players. And I'll be straight with you. This is the worst option on the list. Here's why. Rockstar takes almost all of it. In GTA 5, they sold fake money called shark cards, real money for fake cash. 1 year, that alone made close to $1 billion. For them, not for you. GTA 6 will do the exact same thing, but bigger. They own the store. They set the prices. There's no crack in that wall. And it gets worse. The new online mode is expected to start fresh. Your old money won't carry over. It'll have strong anti-cheat too, so selling accounts or cheating your way to cash, that's how you get banned and lose everything you built. Layer 1 is a locked room. Rockstar has the only key. Cross it off. But Layer 2 is where it gets loud. This is where the hype lives. And this is where most people get played. Layer 2, money around the game. Mods, scripts, custom cars, and the big one, roleplay servers. Let me tell you why people lose their minds over this. With GTA 5, players built entire fake cities inside the game. Cops, criminals, hospitals, jobs, real drama. All player-made, using a mod called 5M. And it exploded. One day in 2021, GTA Roleplay pulled over 1 million people watching at the same time, on Twitch, at once. Regular streamers became stars. Some got rich, just from playing a character in someone else's game. So now everyone's chanting the same thing. GTA 6 Roleplay will make millionaires. Build a server, sell mods, get in early. But here's the catch. That whole world isn't open yet. GTA 6 comes out November 19th, 2026. But only on PlayStation and Xbox. No PC at launch. And here's what nobody wants to hear. Mods and roleplay need a PC. You can't mod a console. It's basically impossible. So when does the PC version come out? Probably 2027, maybe 2028. With GTA 5, the PC version showed up about a year and a half after the consoles. Expect the same here. So think about what that means. Every guy selling you a course right now, how to build a GTA 6 server, how to make GTA 6 mods, is selling you a map to a store that doesn't exist yet. You can't mod a game that can't be modded. Not now, maybe not for 2 more years. And this is where it gets worse, because there's a second trap, and almost nobody talks about it. Remember 5M, the mod that started the whole roleplay boom? Guess who owns it now? Rockstar. In 2023, Rockstar bought the company behind 5M, the same people they once called pirates, the same people they reportedly sent investigators after. They bought them. Then they built their own store. Some mod files on it sell for up to $389 each. Then they shut down the biggest rival platform, weeks after their own store opened. See what happened? Back with GTA 5, modders built this world in the dark. Rockstar ignored them, so outsiders got in early and won big. This time, Rockstar owns the land. They own the store. They take the cut. You'd be a tenant, not an owner. So can you make money in Layer 2? Yes, one day. A skilled modder can sell script packs and car packs. Realistically, that's $20 to $80 a pack, and you need volume and a name to turn it into real income. A top roleplay server can pull serious money from donations and subscriptions, but that's a full business. Servers, moderators, coders, and endless drama. Most servers make nothing and burn out in a few months, and none of it starts until PC. So for right now, in 2026, this door is locked, and people are burning money trying to pick it. Which leaves Layer 3, the door almost nobody talks about, and it is wide open right now. Layer 3 is money from attention, from the hype itself, from the information around the game. Remember that 500 million views number? That's not Rockstar's money, that's raw attention. And attention is the one thing you can actually grab today, with no PC, no mods, no code, no permission. Let me open this one all the way up, because this is where a normal person actually has a shot. And I'm gonna give you real numbers. Start with YouTube. This is the strongest play. People are starving for GTA 6 content right now. News, theories, breakdowns, everything we know so far. And you can make that today. Here's the type of channel that works. Faceless, no camera, just a voice, clean editing, and footage under your own commentary. You cover every leak, every rumor, every official drop. You explain what it means. That's it. Why do people click? Because GTA 6 is the most searched game on the planet. Millions of people want updates, and there still aren't enough good channels feeding them. You're filling a hole in the demand. How does it grow? You post often. You jump on news fast. One strong video during a big leak can bring in tens of thousands of subscribers in a single weekend. Now the money. On a gaming channel with a US audience, ads pay roughly $3 to $8 per thousand views. So a channel doing 500,000 views a month might make somewhere between $1,500 and $4,000. Just from ads. Land one big hit and cross a few million views, and that number jumps fast. Who can do this? Almost anyone. The skills are research, basic editing, and writing a tight script. You can learn both in a few weeks. It's a one-person job. The risk? It's crowded, and the hype cools after launch. If you only ever cover GTA 6, your channel dies when the buzz dies. So you use it to build a name people follow into the next game too. Next, short videos. YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Reels, quick clips, reactions. Did you catch this detail in the trailer? Here's the honest truth about shorts. The pay is tiny, maybe 5 to 15 cents per thousand views. So even 10 million views might only be a few hundred to $1,000 directly. So why bother? Because shorts aren't the income, they're the net. They catch millions of eyeballs and funnel them to your main channel and your community. That's where the real money sits. Next, community. A Discord server or a Telegram channel. This one is quietly powerful. Here's how it works. You gather the fans in one room. You post news first. You answer questions. You build a place people check every single day. Once it's active, you add a paid tier. Early leaks, cleaner info, a closer circle. The math is simple. Say you build 10,000 real members. If just 2 to 5% pay $5 a month, that's 200 to 500 people paying you. So $1,000 to $2,500 a month. Every month. Recurring. And it doesn't vanish when one video flops. The risk? People ask, what am I actually paying for? So the paid tier has to give real value, not just a colored name. Next, a news website, a GTA 6 portal. This one is slower, but it stacks up over time. Here's the model. You publish news articles fast and rank them on Google. Traffic comes in. You run display ads on the pages. Realistically, you can fit 3 to 5 ad slots per page without ruining it for readers. Cram in more and people bounce, and your rankings drop. On gaming traffic, display ads pay roughly $5 to $15 per thousand page views. So, a site pulling 100,000 page views a month might earn around $500 to $1,500 from ads alone. Then you stack affiliate links and a couple of direct sponsors on top. Here's the trade-off to understand. Ads pay steady but low. Memberships pay more per person, but they need loyalty. Affiliate pays the best per sale, but only when people are ready to buy. The smart play is to run all three, not lean on just one. Who's this for? It leans toward a small team, because someone has to write a lot, fast. A solo grinder can do it, but it's a heavier lift than a YouTube channel. Next, affiliate marketing. This one is sneaky good, and the timing is perfect. Here's the logic. GTA 6 is console only, so a wave of people are about to buy PS5s, bigger storage, capture cards, headsets, controllers. They're spending money on gear no matter what, so you make content that helps them buy. Best setup for GTA 6. Cheapest way to get ready before launch. You drop your affiliate links. When they buy, you earn a cut. It's small per item, but it adds up. Good buyer-focused content can add 20 to 40% on top of your ad money. The risk? It only works if the content genuinely helps people decide. Random links on a random video convert to nothing. And last in this layer, sponsorships. This is the ceiling. Once you have an audience, brands come to you. VPNs, game stores, energy drinks, gaming gear. They pay you to talk about them for 60 seconds. Gaming sponsor deals often pay around $15 to $25 per 1,000 views on that video. So a video that does 100,000 views could land a $1,500 to $2,500 deal, on top of everything else. But here's the catch. You need the audience first. Sponsorships are the reward for doing the other stuff right, not the starting point. Now notice something huge. Every single one of those is open today, not 2027, today. And here's the part that actually decides who wins: timing. Right now, before launch, is the golden window. The big channels haven't fully moved in yet. The hype is climbing, but it hasn't peaked. A small creator can win right now just by being early and consistent. You don't need a budget, you need to show up first. Then November hits, the game drops, and a tidal wave of searches and new fans comes crashing in. Who rides that wave? The people who were already there, the channels people already follow. So if you wait for the game to come out before you start, you already lost. The move is to be standing there before the flood, not sprinting for the door after it hits. And that's the real lesson from GTA 5. It made outsiders rich two ways: through roleplay and mods, and through content. The mod path is now owned and locked by Rockstar. The content path is still wide open. And it's bigger than ever. So don't copy the part that's closed, copy the part that still works. Now the part I won't skip, because this is a money channel, not a hype channel. The millionaire myth. You'll hear that GTA 6 will make people millionaires. There's no proof. Nobody official ever said it. It's a rumor dressed up as a fact. A few people will win big, most won't. So plan like a normal person, not a lottery winner. Next risk, you're building on rented land. YouTube can change the rules overnight, so can Discord, and your whole thing sits inside Rockstar's hype. So build a brand people follow anywhere, collect emails, grow a community you actually own, not just a GTA channel. Next, copyright. Take-Two protects its stuff hard. Don't slap their logo on merch, don't rip their art, don't just re-upload their trailers. Add your voice, your take, your value. Commentary is safe, copying is not. And last, the hype fades. Launch spikes hard, then it drops. If your whole plan is the spike, you die in the drop. The winners use the GTA 6 wave to build an audience that sticks around for the next game and the next one after that. So let's land this. 3 doors. Inside the game. Closed. Rockstar takes it all. Around the game. Locked until PC, probably 2027. Rockstar owns that world now. Attention, wide open. Today, no permission needed. Most people will pick wrong. They'll chase the mod dream that isn't ready. They'll buy the course for the locked door, wait for launch, and miss the whole wave. The smart ones do the opposite. They pick attention. They start now, small and steady. A faceless channel, a Discord, a few smart gear videos. They build before the game drops, so they're already standing there when 100 million people come looking. Because the real money in GTA 6 was never in playing it. It was in owning the attention around it. The game comes out in November. The window is open right now. Most people will miss it. The only question left is whether you will too.